What does that say?
House.
That's right. What does that say?
Nose.
That's right. What does that say?
Duck.
Duck. That's right.
How about
Elephant. That's right.
mouse?
Mouse. That's right. That's right. A gorilla says ooh ooh ah ah. What does that say?
Taco.
Tiger. And he says roar. That's right. All right. Isabel, what does that say? Isabel.
Fun.
Arm. That's right. What does that say?
Dog.
That's right. Is that a dog right there? Yep. What does that say?
Fight.
That's right. What does that say?
Fight.
It says toes. But that's okay. Do you say toes?
Nose.
That's right. Isabel, what does that say?
Colors.
Colors. That's right. What does that say?
Up.
What does that say? What does that say?
Down.
Down. That's right. What does that say?
What?
Reach. That's right. What does that say? That's right. That's what a chimpanzee says. What does that say? Tongue. That's right. Tongue. That's right. What does that say? Close. It's toes. Toes. Just touch your toes. What does that say?
Fish.
What does it say?
Fish.
Good girl. Tree. That's right. Tree. That's right. What does that one say? Keys. That's right. Good girl. That's right. That's right. What does that say? What does it say? What does it say? Whiff. That's good. What does that say? Swing. That's right. Swing. Good girl. Do you like to swing? That's right. What does that say? What does it say? What does it say? I'm not sure what you're saying. You know what that is. Oh, you were saying ears. Is that what you were saying? What does that say? That's your word for elephant, I know. That's a hard one. What does that say?
Up.
Arms up, that's right. Good girl. Are you itching? What does that say? Hair bow, that's right. That's right, bow. What does that say? What does it say? Turtle, that's right. Good girl. It's okay. Here, let me fix it. It's okay. Done. What's the next one?
Apple.
Are you done? Don't put him back. It's a good girl. That one's hard to get back in. I couldn't do it either. I'll have to fix it.